So everybody, probably you would agree as well that Agile is still evolving and Agile testing is definitely evolving. So how would you characterize Agile testing today?
Well, it's kind of by definition, Agile needs to constantly be adapting. And right now, the state of Agile testing is, it's varied. It depends upon the organization that you're talking about. So some organizations are very tester developer pairing, and I would say that they're more mature. Companies like Atlassian, that they're very they've got the skilled testers working alongside the skilled developers. Then you have other companies that are more developer centric that say they're doing agile testing because the developers are doing all the testing and there are no trained testers. So it's hard to characterize what the state of the world is because the world's a big place. And so you end up with the full spectrum. And like I started like when Agile, Agile's 11 years old this year.
Right.
And when I first heard about Agile, I was so anti-Agile. Which is kind of ironic now, but because I was thinking in the command and control mindset. We need the test plans, we need all this stuff. And now, that I've sort of matured my thinking, I can't imagine going back to the pre-Agile thinking. But there's gray areas. There's do we want to go no bug tracking system?
Right.
That's pretty, and like I know like Lisa Crispin's team doesn't have a bug tracking system.
Right.
Now, do we want to go that extreme in agile testing, or do we want to go just we're going to have a bug tracking system, but we're going to just triage them differently with a different mindset? So it all depends where you're going at and the problems that those companies are facing, and more importantly, the problems that they've already faced, because the systems in place reflect the problems that they've had in the past. It's the Jerry Weinberg quote is, things are the way they are because that's the way they got that way.
That's very true.
And it's just like, well, that's pretty obvious, but it's accurate. It's just like, well, we had a problem with this type of bug, and it's leaked through in production and made us embarrassed. And so now we've got this system in place to prevent the embarrassment. So if you start winding back, well, why are we doing this? Well, because we have this problem.
Right.
Well, how can we address that problem? Well, we can do it this way. Maybe this way is more agile. And so we've moved our team forward along the agility process, the process line. But that's not necessarily the practice as a whole.